we are again, the Sudoku guy on my channel page. Now, if you're not sure how to get to my channel page, go to my website, which is called sudokuguy.com, and there'll be a button there you can click on that will take you to all my videos. If you do that, this is what you come up with. This is my channel page. And what I'm going to be doing is to show you, first of all, what a community tab is. If I take my big cursor here, I have to have a big one because I'm half blind, and go click on community, it'll come up with this. And I use community quite a bit. I put things up fairly regularly, but this one time I want to specialize on this question has come up more than once. It says, translate my words into the language of your choice. Yes, they have a wonderful translation system with YouTube. And what I've done here is give you a step-by-step way of going about doing it for your language of choice. So what I'm going to do now is go to my home on my channel page and pick a video. Well, here's the video. I'll use my introduction video. Here we go. And what I'm going to do now is to go way across this side, if you can see it, and click on this big screen. See this big square one? That'll make it a much bigger picture so you can see it better. So I clicked on that. Now what I wanted, I'm looking like I'm a bit crazy there. Now what I want to do is to put this, still looking funny. Anyway, we go across here, down here to the CC, which is the captions. Captions are me in English coming up on your screen. If I click on that and then click on the play button and see what happens. Voila! Now, we'll go a bit further. Okay. Now, what I'm suggesting to you, if you wish, you can change that English that you see along the bottom to the language of choice, and this is how you go about it. It's fun. Go across here down to the caption symbol here, but if you go further and click on the cog here, which is the settings, click on that one click will do it. Here you have annotations. Make sure annotations are on. You can turn that off and on, but like there, see? But this is more important. See subtitles, CC? It's now in English. So I'm going to press that so I can change it from English to something else. When you do that, I just pressed it. Now we come to Auto Translate. Click on Auto Translate. I've just clicked on it. Now you have a list of all the different languages that you can use to translate into what I've been saying. Look at them all. Lots of them. And it's a great service that YouTube offers. Now, just for fun, I'm going to click on one. Let me see now. Hindi, somebody asked me the other day for that one. Where's Hindi? A-W-H-E-H-H-H-H. Here's Hindi. Let's click on Hindi and watch down the bottom here and see what happens. Voila! There it is in Hindi. Now, if I go back to this cog, press on it, and I can go up to subtitles again and press on it and go to auto translate. I can go to another language. Let's see what's close by, I wonder. Okay, let's try Arabic. It should be up near the top. Arabia, here we are, Arabic. Here we go. This is what it looks like in Arabic. Now let's go to another one. Let's go down here, click on it again. We'll go this time to, let me say, well, you can pick a language of your choice, but I'll pick a language of my choice. Here's one that's fairly common. It's Spanish. Let me see if there's this SP. There it is, Spanish. There it is in Spanish. And so this is how you have my words translated into the language of your choice. Now, before I say bye for now, I've got one thing more to share with you, and that is this. When you subscribe to my channel, you'll see on the right-hand side a little bell. If you click on that bell, you will be given a notation every time I put up a new video or new comment somewhere. You will see it come up. So that's what the little bell does. It gives me the right to have YouTube let you know that I put a new video up or something like that. Okay, so that's it for now. Bye for now.